Hi, my name is Miss Espinosa. This is my first year teaching at Plant. I'm very excited to be teaching you guys this year. I wanted to tell you a little bit about what we're going to be learning. I am going to be teaching Honors World History, and I'm very excited because that was my favorite class in high school, so I'm so excited that I get to teach it to you guys too. We are going to be learning a lot. This is a full year course, so both semesters. We are going to be learning a lot. There's a lot jam-packed into that 1 year. Some of the highlights of what we're going to learn is the Roman Empire. That's always one of the big, I think, most interesting things to learn about. The Egyptian empires, the medieval ages, the Indian empires, the many Chinese dynasties. That's really what comes to mind when a lot of people think of world history. And I think that's some of the most interesting parts. Some of the things I want you to have for this class are a notebook. Now, I'd prefer a notebook like this because we are going to have some handouts as well as notes, and that way you can have your handouts and your notes all in one place. It makes studying a lot easier. It makes bringing supplies to class a lot easier as well. I would also like for you to have, pencils and pens, of course. Feel free to buy as colorful as you want of pencils and pens. I love these. I love to have my notes colorful. That I'm a very color-oriented person. I love seeing my notes in color, so feel free to do that. We're going to be learning through a lot of different ways. Of course, we'll have notes. You kind of need to have notes in a social studies class to get that important information. We're also going to be doing a lot of projects in class, a lot of different activities, a lot of interactive activities. So I'm really looking forward to doing that with you guys. I know this year is going to be a little strange, a little bit different, and that's okay. I think we're going to be able to really push through this together. I wanted to leave you with one idea. When we're learning about history, I know a lot of it can seem dull because we're learning about a bunch of dead people. I want you to think of it as we're just studying people. Yeah, it's people like we see out on the streets, but that lived thousands of years ago. It's people just like us, but in different circumstances and different times, okay? So I'm very excited to be your teacher this year. I can't wait to get to know each and every one of you. And I'm so excited to be here. Thank you.